Hi YouTube people and everybody else that might catch us somewhere else. Luke 18:1 says, men ought always to pray and not to faint. And we should especially not faint. We should especially, and what he means of course is that we should never quit praying. We got to hold up everything to God. And we need to pray over our work. Amen. I know August and many other people that work with trees do that. Anyway, I'm back out here cutting a few hazard trees, cutting one today here at a place up in Lowman. I'll give you a look why we pray. As you can see, here's a shed. Here's a trailer house. Here's a power line. I assume you can see the power line. It's going out that way. And here's the top of the tree. Fortunately, you can see this tree was built to go right into this hole. It curves right around this pine tree and laid out here just perfect. And of course missing this shed and the power line. I'll back up here to the power line. There's a property line going right along here. We could have left it out there, but there's more people and their stuff out in there. You can see the power line there going across. And of course the tree missed it well, but it's coming on the questionable side. I did take and over there in the shed there's some good long rafter boards that they had laying around there, and I propped that up to where if the top did slap it, it would more than likely break this little dead tree off, but it didn't even really come close. So you can see it actually bounced off the side of this old stump here, laid over, and plenty of stuff around, but like I said, see the curve of that tree to go around, just made to go in that hole. Amen. And go around those two little trees there and still miss the house and everything. So it's a good lay. So remember, pray over your work, do good work, and give God the glory. Amen. See you next time.